Okay friends, one of the first things we have to do to get started on replacing our blower motor is to locate it. It's going to be located underneath the passenger side kick panel, right here. Now once you've located it, the next thing that we're going to want to do is disconnect the wiring for it. You're going to see a little tab that's over on the passenger side of the blower motor. We need to go ahead and release that and then remove the wiring. Every time you remove an electrical connector, inspect it. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This looks great, so I'll set it aside. Now the next thing we're going to do is start dismounting the blower motor. You're going to find some mounting screws, go ahead and remove them all, and then lower the blower motor out. Now we can start lowering this down and remove it from the car. Okay, now it's time to install the blower motor. Let's carefully put it under here. We'll line it up, start in all of our bolts, and then we'll snug them up. Now once you have all of your bolts snug, just double check it, make sure it's completely secured and it's sitting along where it needs to. If it's off kilter, you're going to have an area where air can circulate where it shouldn't. This looks good. Let's continue on with our wiring. We're just going to take that, we'll slide it right in, listen for a click, and then of course give it a tug. Okay, so we got it all back together. What's left to do now? Go ahead and put the key in the on position and test your blower motor. You want to make sure it functions, and of course it functions on all speeds.